What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a follow-up video. We did a featured video on Bancor Network. No, it was not sponsored, but I just want to show you guys. I put this, but that's funny, huh? Anyways, BNT. So guys, I actually did talk about this cryptocurrency in 2 months ago. Wow, it only got 99 views. Nice. That's when I was starting crypto videos. But anyways, the reason why BNT is so important and Bancor Network is so important, well, I'm going to show you that in this video. It's only going to be about 5 minutes long, guys. That's all I'm asking for, 5 minutes of your time. Time me. Time starts now. First off, guys, new to the channel, go ahead and smash up that like button. Smash up the subscribe button if you guys like the video. And then, of course, go ahead and smash that bell notification. That way you're notified every time. And then join our Telegram and share this. So those are the top tips. Those are the 5 things I need you to do. Guys, I'll keep making these videos. Just do those 5 things for me. It takes 5 seconds of your time. 1 second for each. Let's do it. What is BNT? That's the first thing we need to know. Actually, no, I'm sorry. You need to know what is impermanent loss. In fact, just go on my channel. This is straight on my YouTube channel. You guys can do this yourself. Just go to Drake on Digital, type in BNT, and you got these 2 videos. You can learn fully about Bancor there, and then you can learn about impermanent loss right here. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes of your time. Play back on 2x speed, 10 minutes of your time. It's pretty neat. But anyways, Bancor Network, we were talking about this sucker when it was 66 cents, 65 cents actually. Really cool project, really interesting history. It is actually one of the first AMMs, so it was before UniSwap. Don't forget about that, guys. This is why they're so special, though. They're getting rid of impermanent loss. Watch that video to understand what it is. If you like losing money, don't watch the video. If you like to save money, watch the video. So this is how they do it. They have all these pairs, but they all have one thing in common. They're all paired with BNT. There's 29 different ones, and it's so cool. So instead of having to provide double-sided liquidity, you can just pick any one you want. So like you can look at the interest, 18%. Oh, cool, I'm going to add liquidity here. You literally hit the plus sign, and right now, if you want to stake BNT, you can. I don't want to stake BNT right now. So you can actually select AMP. Okay, I can lock in 12,000 AMP. Go for it. That's if you want to, or you can just do 1,000. That's the space that's available. There are some pairs that it's not available. Let me show you an example right here. So let me show you USDC. So this one is not currently available. BNT needed to open up USDC space. So what that means is right now it's only USDC space. You provide the USDC and you'll get the shares or share of the trading fees as well as the interest. And it's easy. You literally just go like this. I'm going to stake 100, stake and protect. Well, I can't do it right now, so I'd have to put in some Bancor. Oh, maybe DAI's got some open. Yeah. Oh, cool. It's open. All right, so let me show you. All right, so you go to DAI. It got 11,000. So you literally click 1,000 DAI, and we're going to stake and protect. Oh, I got to connect my wallet. Big dummy. My bad. All right, so we're connected. Let's do 1,000, stake and protect. And you can literally just hit confirm. And you're gonna pay an ETH gas fee. I don't feel like doing this right now. I've paid so many different gas fees, but you guys kind of get the concept. So really cool how that works. Anyways, guys, that's how you provide the liquidity on Bancor, how it protects you, and that saves you on impermanent loss. Guys, I told you I'd keep this only 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and give you guys the wisdom one-liner so you guys can leave. I got 30 seconds. I'm hurrying. Guys, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel because I said so, guys. I really appreciate it. Proverbs chapter 26, verses 12. Do you see a person wise in their own eyes? There's more hope for a fool than for them. Guys, don't be that guy. Don't be that guy where it's easier for the camel to go through an eye of a needle than it is for a rich man to enter into the kingdom of heaven. That's what it says in the Bible. Don't be that guy. Yes, it's okay to be rich, but don't love money. Oh, yeah, don't love money. It's okay to have money, but don't love money. Now, if you guys don't know what the eye of a needle is, it's that tiny little hole that's on that needle. Man, 5 minutes long, or 5 seconds too long. Thanks, guys. See ya. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP, you guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up, and yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order, super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though, Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up.